हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू IFAS। तो जैसे कि हम कभी भी किसी एग्ज़ाम की प्रिपरेशन करते हैं तो काफ़ी सारे सवाल आते हैं कि किस तरीके से कर पाएंगे, क्या हम ये कर पाएंगे या नहीं, इतना वास्ट सिलेबस है, क्या हम उसे कवर कर पाएंगे और क्या हमसे ये एग्ज़ाम क्लियर हो पाएगा। ऐसे काफ़ी सारे सवाल होते हैं जब हम कोई भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम, ऑल इंडिया लेवल एग्ज़ाम को ट्राई करते हैं compete करने के लिए। इसी तरीके से आज हमारे साथ जो जुड़े हैं प्रभाकर, उन स्टूडेंट ने CSIR NET JRF एग्ज़ाम दिया केमिस्ट्री के सब्जेक्ट में और उन्हें ऑल इंडिया रैंक 80 प्राप्त हुआ है। प्रभाकर की सबसे अच्छी बात तो ये है कि उनकी अभी तक M.Sc भी कंप्लीट नहीं हुई, उन्होंने मास्टर्स करते करते ही अपना CSIR का एग्ज़ाम क्रैक किया है और एक ऑल इंडिया रैंक 80 भी लाया है। तो आज हम जानना चाहते हैं प्रभाकर की किस तरीके से ये स्ट्रैटेजी रही और उनकी क्या जर्नी रही, तो हम ये जानेंगे उन्हीं से। तो अगर आपको ये सेशन अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ आप ये सेशन को लाइक करना और सेशन को पूरे एंड तक ज़रूर देखना। ओके, तो हाय प्रभाकर, हाउ आर यू डूइंग?
Hi, ma'am. I'm fine. What about you, ma'am?
I'm doing great, Prabhakar. So, first of all, congratulations on getting a CSIR NET with an All India rank of 80. So, this is a very happy moment for you at this point wherein you have not even completed your masters. So, first of all, congratulations, Prabhakar.
Thank you, ma'am.
Great. Okay, so what I want you to do is first introduce yourself to all our viewers. Tell us your name, tell us your background, what are you doing
Yes,
currently,
ma'am.
and what is your score in CSIR NET exam this year?
Yes, ma'am. I will. I am Prabhakaran G T. I am from Tamil Nadu, and I am currently pursuing my master's second degree in NIT Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu, and my CSIR rank is 80, and I have acquired CSIR JRF in
Great.
December 2025 examination.
Great. That feels so great to tell about our own ranks and tell that we have cleared an all India exam, right, Prabhakar? Okay, so I want to ask you, when you started the preparation, the initial moments in the initial months of preparation, like how was it going for you? What were the, we always have dilemma or we have multiple thoughts in our mind. What was your thought process and what were you feeling about when you just started into this journey?
I have started my journey, frankly, from a first M.Sc, because I knew that currently master's problem is all about a second year, because we will be fed up with our research projects or a semester or something else. We will be fed up at the second year. So I have
Right.
smartly started it from my first year. Slowly I have learned many things, because in UG we will have some amount of basics in our mind. I hope that currently coming into the PG, I have kept that basic on my way, and I have took that into that advanced level slowly. Keep on working hard, and this is my second attempt of a CSIR net. So I have worked hard for this. So first I have cleared a only PhD category, which makes sense that I would definitely clear CSIR JRF. So my thought didn't become false actually. So I'm feeling proud that I have worked hard and I have achieved this thing. So my
Great.
advice to all the juniors who are here, so please take your preparation seriously from your PG first year, because in second year you can do, but it will be a little stress to you guys. So that is the
Great.
thing, ma'am.
Yes. I completely agree to you,
Yes, ma'am.
Prabhakar, because we are in that journey of learning concepts, we are in that journey
Yes,
of mastering the concepts. Starting our
yes,
preparation right away, of course, makes a lot of sense.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, so with an informal discussion with you, you also told that you have also cleared exams before this. So just wanted to know even about those. What are those exams that you have cleared?
Yes, ma'am, definitely. Because I have placed my masters in NIT Tiruchirappalli.
Right.
So how we will come into the NIT Tiruchirappalli? The only way is to clear a JAM examination,
Yeah.
and I have got All India rank 1050 in JAM. and I
Great.
got a seat in NIT Tiruchirappalli when I am doing my third year UG actually. So I didn't leave any gap. The only reason we should not worry about time actually. If there is small or a less time for us, be dedicated on that time actually. Just use that time. If we are having just 1 week, don't worry. Use that 1 week fully, completely, and be dedicated on that short course of time. That will surely help us to clear any exams that we need. Though that myth is there actually. We need a 1 year gap, 2 year gap. No, that's completely insane thing. Just a small dedication on a small course of time will make a big thing actually. So I have cleared my jam, CUET, and in my first year itself I have cleared a gate exam, and I have cleared a PhD category in a CSIR exam on a first attempt when I did it in December 2024, and now I have cleared a CSIR JRF in this batch. Yes, ma'am.
Great, great. So, this gives me a message that when you are there into the courses, you are already learning about things, and when you go to the level of competitive exams, you are just going a step higher, which so your main academics always helps you in getting to that. And since you are in a very esteemed institute like NIT, of course, your academics are also very well versed with how the entrance exam syllabus is, right?
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
yeah. Okay. So I want to ask you like how IFAS has helped as an institute for you to have a very directional and a very thorough understanding of your concepts. Like, what was your journey connection with IFAS?
Definitely, I will tell I didn't clear these exams by paying in any institutes. But definitely, I will say watching videos in IFAS is a worth the thing because they will spend each and every topic their quality time to understand that, and they will also attach the PYQs and standard other questions along with that, and they will run a marathon. That sessions I will like so much actually. So from a jam time, actually from my jam time till now, actually I am following IFAS. Mainly the keyword time they are helping the students so much. That is helpful to not only me but also my friends. That is a personal feedback from our side actually.
Great.
So the guys are doing very the team behind actually the staffs, the professors who are teaching the topic or doing hard work because they are running a 1 hour, 2 hour videos, and even the gate answer key, CSIR net answer key, they will. I think even it will not cross 1 hour. They will be starting that CSIR net answer key, gate answer key after 1 hour of the examination. Shows your dedication. That is very huge. So I habituated to your videos actually, but I didn't pay for anything. But I think so. It is worth to pay and watch the courses because it is very helpful actually,
And
especially
I
PY.
feel it gives you a very directional nature. In case you couldn't do it in masters, then you need a direction. I think even then the courses would help, right?
Yes, ma'am. Definitely it will help because if we are not in masters, we can spend our full time to the course dedication. So with the dedication, so I will prefer to watch here the videos, mainly the PYQs and the. I think so. I have attended the mock test that 100 or 300 or I don't know. I have attended the mock test, which is also very useful. They have segregated each topics in organic chemistry in their app, IFAS app, in organic chemistry, physical chemistry, organic chemistry. They have take their quality of time and they have given a standard questions for us. Those who are preparing for these
Right.
exams, I will personally recommend to watch that questions and practice. It will definitely reflect in your exams. It will boost your scores. That's my
Right.
personal experience with IFAS.
Yeah, right. So, like you were talking about that there are a lot of marathon series that IFAS helped
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
Did you feel that according to how the questions were, the like how the years have been updating the exam, we see that the previous year exams, if you look at the questions versus if we look at the questions now, they are very well updated, and accordingly, even the institutes which are teaching into these competitive exams, they also have to update the questions, update the level. So did you feel that, could you connect that to the level of what your exam was, and like what was your experience on that?
Yes, ma'am. Definitely, we will feel that in our 2023 CSIR net was in one standard, but nowadays and in our upcoming years, the exam standard will be so much high. That is of no doubt, actually. Definitely, from 2023, IFAS videos are of a good standard, actually. They
Right.
are maintaining that standard till now, and they are updating their terms also very much high, because they will know that answer key level depth, question depth, they will know, because after the exam they will post the questions, memory based question, even at the instant, I think so. So
Right.
they will know the student's mentality, and they will know the question paper setter's mentality, and they are taking the marathon session on that way, which is matching the exam's frequency, I think so.
Right.
So, physical chemistry, I felt physical chemistry, so much of the questions pattern were similar to this time CSIR net. Those were taken on marathon. And I think so, inorganic memory based questions also, many of them comes in our CSIR net question and even gate questions, and even to organic. I
Right.
felt that.
Right. So I want to know about your exam hall strategies. See, there are few aspects when you talk about the main exam. The first thing is that you have that exam fear, looking at new questions. So how did you deal with that? And the other part of my question is like how much time would you give to part A, part B, or part C, or aptitude questions, and like what was your overall strategy about the main exam? Can you just elaborate on that?
Chemistry was covering up all three. Chemistry was so tough, and it is not also needed to clear JRF. I am saying that 100% in all three categories, all three subjects, like inorganic, physical, and organic. But we can give our 100% in one subject, and 75% in one subject, and 25 to 50 percentage in one subject. We will definitely acquire a JRF. That is no doubt at all. So
Right.
that pattern I have followed, and I have followed 100% physical chemistry, and definitely 75 to 80% inorganic chemistry, and 25 to 50% organic chemistry. So it will also won't destroy or collapse our pattern, and it won't confuse us, actually. It will
Right.
make us systematic. And the
Right.
thing, I will attend when I'm going into the exam hall, I will go to the pod C first, because we know that there will be a plenty of questions. I think a 60, around 60. We need to pick only 25 questions from that. Equal contribution from each subject: physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry, and organic chemistry. Why won't we attend only 25 questions from that three category? Because we already have 100% from one category, 75% from one category, 25% from one category. I will think in that level, and I will go into the part C first, and I will attend as much as question possible in part
Right.
C, and I
Right.
will spend only 1.5 hours on that part C, and I will slowly move to the part B. But I won't care about part B, because part B, 15 to 20 questions, attending 15 to 20 questions is itself a success way for us. If we completed a part B and part C, I will take a part A as a rest for me, because thinking too much chemistry, I
Right.
will feel little tired. So I will go to the part A. There were some questions which were really funny in part A, aptitude. So if we go there and we will have a chill on that, and I will come back 10 to 20 minutes chill time for us, and I will come back to part B, part C again. And if I am feeling little stressed or tired, I will go back to a part A, and I will come back to part B, part C. So if we
Great. Great.
make this, this will make meaningful for us, actually.
Yeah, like
Definitely.
this is a very good insight that you gave us, Prabhakar, that
Yes,
see,
ma'am.
you don't really have any time to rest in those 3 hours, but you
Yes,
found your
ma'am.
own strategy of resting from chemistry and going back to aptitude was your way of resting in the exam.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
that way
Definitely.
you were even solving the questions, but also your mind was resting because a lot of
Resting,
chemistry makes you
exactly.
saturated at times, of course.
Yes,
So, and this way you also made an effort to also try for aptitude questions, which also increases your scores. Very good. Okay. So I want to know, like, Prabhakar, what are your future plans? What after this, that you have a CSIR net JRF now? What are your plans after this?
Yes, ma'am. I have a CSIR JRF with me, and I also have GATE with me. So I'm planning to pursue a PhD in electrochemistry and nanomaterials field in IISc Bangalore or IIT Madras. I'm planning for that actually because we know that they too are almost a top institutes in our
Of course.
for our chemical sciences. We all know that.
Of
So I'm
course.
planning for that way to give a good PhD and to acquire a doctorate. So
Right.
every chemist dream was that actually to acquire a doctorate in
Right.
a prestigious institute of our nation. So that was my dream too,
Yeah.
actually.
So I feel that you are just one step away from your goal. You just have to complete your masters. And I
Yes,
think with some preparation of the interview, you are definitely there. The other part is that you have invested your time so well that you have planned your main academics along with your competitive exams, wherein you have not taken a break, which makes the achievement even more better because you are saving on the years of what you want to do since our academics are a little big. Okay. So one last question before we end here. I want you to give a message to the aspirants, to the new aspirants who have started preparing, and to the aspirants who have been preparing. Maybe they have not been able to clear in the first initial attempts and they are still there. Like, what would be your message to them?
oh, those who are having that less confidence.
Yeah, yeah. So, like
Yes,
both set of aspirants who have been new and who have been trying it, maybe in the initial attempts they couldn't do it, but they're still there. So, what is your message for
definitely,
them?
ma'am. That is the one thing because I have failed so many times. Then only I had made this
Of
success
course.
actually. Failure will make definitely success, but don't leave practicing. Keep on practicing. And one thing which I like to say for everyone is learn from your mistakes. Definitely that will make sense.
Yeah.
Even if I am writing any exams, let us take a GATE, NET. I will go to our YouTube channel, IFAS. They will give a, memory-based answer key, and they will, after releasing the response sheet, they will give a detailed answer key. I will go and check my mistakes. I won't care about my marks. Marks is just a number, but I will learn from my mistakes, and I will make sure that I won't commit that mistake for any time in my life in anywhere. So I am
Right.
stressing that accept the mistakes and don't do it again. Definitely, mistakes will make you more success. So all the best to all aspirants who are practicing hard. One day will become your day.
Right, right. Completely true. So it's all about learning. Learning is growing. So of course you have been learning, and that is what is also helping you grow. And somewhere in the way you have also cleared exams that is just helping you, go ahead. So
Yes,
once again, congratulations, Prabhakar. We are so happy that you could score such a good rank and wishing you all the very best. I hope whatever you have thought of that comes true. And
thank you, ma'am.
yeah, great. Okay. Thank you, Prabhakar. Thank you, all the viewers. If you like this video, if you feel that you could get some insights or some learnings from the video, do hit the like button and share it with your friends. Thank you so much.